Hello guys, this is math teacher Wael Bashuri. In this video I'm going to solve practice test A from ACT Math. So let's start quickly. I will show you how to solve fast and correctly. So it's not important only to solve correctly but also quickly. Question number 1. Here you have to do the same denominator in order to choose the options, the correct option. So first here you start with making same denominator. This times 5 up and down. You get 5 over 15 minus 2 over 15 plus 7 over 25. Here you have 3 over 15 plus 7 over 25. Also here you need the same denominator, so multiply here by 3 and here by 5 so that you can get 75 for both denominators. So you have 15 plus 21 over 75. 15 plus 21, this is 36 over 75. Now, since here we don't have, in the options, we don't have 75 in the denominator, so you need to simplify the denominator. You need to simplify the fraction, so you divide both sides up and down by same number. So here let's choose 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 75 divided by 3 is 25. So final answer will be option B, 12 over 25. Option B. Let's now move to second question. A car traveled 882 miles on 36 gallons of gasoline. How many miles per gallon did the car get on the trip? Miles per gallon means you have to divide 882 by 36. So if you divide 882 by 36, you get 24.5. So the answer is J. Next question. Annual gym membership costs $192 as opposed to monthly membership that costs $21. How much money can you save in 1 year by taking annual membership? In order to know how much money you can save, you have to multiply 21 by 12. So 21 times 12, you get 252. Then you subtract 192. So you get 60. So option D is the answer. So you can save 60 when you take the annual membership instead of the monthly membership. Question number 4 now. In the figure, what's the value of x? Here you know that vertical angles are congruent, so this is 60 here. Then sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 60 plus 40, you get 80. So option J is the correct answer. Next question. If 4x minus 3y is 10, what's the value of 12x minus 9y? Clearly, if I multiply this by 3, I will get the requirement here. So 4x times 3, get 12x minus 3y times 3, get 9y. 10 times 3 is 30. So I just need to multiply this by 3. That's what I have to do here. So the answer is E, 30. Option E is correct. Next, question number 6. If cosine alpha is 3 over 5 in the first quadrant, what does cotangent alpha equal? This question is very easy. Here you have alpha, cosine alpha adjacent over hypotenuse, so 3 over 5. Okay, this is famous triangle. So if you do Pythagoras, you get 4 here. Now, tangent is opposite over adjacent, which means 4 over 3. If I want tangent, tan alpha is equal to 4 over 3. Opposite over adjacent. But I don't want tangent, I want cotangent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which means 3 over 4. So option F is correct here. 3 over 4 is the answer. Next, question number 7. Here you have 3x plus 5y equal 2, 2x minus 6y equal 20. What's the value of 5x minus y? Clearly, if you notice here, you can add the two expressions in order to get the requirement here. So let's add both of them. 3x plus 5y equal 2, and here 2x minus 6y equal 20. So let's here add the equations. You get 5x minus 1y equal 22. So the option A here is the correct answer. Next, number 8. If the hypotenuse of the isosceles triangle, right triangle, ABC is 8 radical 2, what's the area of triangle ABC? So here I have this triangle. The hypotenuse is 8 radical 2. Isosceles means here these are equal in length. The two legs are equal in length. We want to find the area. Area of triangle is half base height. We don't have x. X is the base and x is the height. So we need to find the value of x. So we can do Pythagoras here. X squared plus x squared equal square of the hypotenuse 64 times 2. This is 128. Here you get 2x squared is equal to 128, and this means x squared is equal to 64, which means x is equal to 8. Now in case x is 8 here, in case x is 8 here and here, the area now has become easy. Area is 8 times 8 divided by 2. 8 times 8, 64, divided by 2, 32. And here option H is correct. So the area is 32. So here we choose option H. See now question number 9. It takes Mr. Smith 8 hours to mow his lawn. After 3 hours it begins to rain. How much of the lawn is not mowed? Clearly this question is very easy. The whole lawn needs 8 hours. So after 3 hours, what is left from the how much time is left? H minus 3. So this is very easy. Next one, question 10. Which of the following best describes the function graph below? Increasing, decreasing. So you have increasing or decreasing. Let's check. In order to know whether the function is increasing or not, you place the pen on the left side of the function, then you move with the pen. If you notice that the pen is moving up, the function is increasing. If the pen is moving down, the function is decreasing. Clearly here, function is increasing because the pen is moving up. So here we have to choose one of the options. Increasing, option F. Increasing, also G. So you have to choose either F or G because the rest are not do not fit the requirement here. F or G is the answer. So in order to decide, you have to look at the slope of the graph. While moving from left to right, is the slope increasing or decreasing? Slope of tangent. So if you draw a tangent here and a tangent here, you notice that the slope is decreasing while you're moving from left to right. The slope of the tangent is decreasing. So that's why you have to choose option G, increasing at a decreasing rate. So option G is the correct answer. Move to next question. What is the quantity 7 plus 7 plus 7? Okay, this is 21 divided by minus 21. And this is minus 1, option C. Solve the system. Here you have a system of two equations. In order to solve them, you can multiply the upper equation by 2 and the lower equation by 3 to make the y's coefficient 6. So if you do that, let's see, 2 times 5 we get 10x, 2 times 3 is 6y is equal to 22. Then 3 times 7 is 21 x plus 6y is equal to 0. In order now to solve them simultaneously, you subtract. If you subtract both equations, let's see what we get. 10 minus 21, you get negative 11. X is equal to 21 minus 0 is 22. Divide both sides by 11. By negative 11, you get x equal 22 divided by negative 11. And that is negative 2. So negative 2 means option G or J should be correct. Let's continue and find y. So I plug negative 2 in one of the equations. Let me plug negative 2 in the upper equation. 5 times negative 2, you get negative 10 plus 3y is equal to 11. Take 10 to the other side. You get 3y is equal to 10 plus 11, and this is 21. If you divide by 3 both sides, you get y equal to 7, and option G is correct now. So I have to choose option G. And that is the correct answer. Next question. In the sketch below, the area of each circle is 4 pi. What's the perimeter of WXYZ? Perimeter of the square is the sum of all length around it, sum of all sides. So here I have the area of each circle. You know that area is equal to pi r squared. So I know the area is 4 pi. I plug it here. It's equal to pi r squared. Now cancel pi and pi. You can cancel pi and pi. So you get r squared equal 4. This means r equal 2. So if the radius is 2, this means the diameter here is 4 and the diameter here is 4. This means the side of the square is 8, and the perimeter is 8 times 4, 32. So the answer is option A. Option B. Next question. Given that fx is 5x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 2, find f of minus 2. This question is very easy. F of minus 2, you plug minus 2 for x here. So 5 times minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 3x means minus 3 times minus 2 squared plus 6x, 6 times minus 2 plus 2. When you calculate these on the calculator, you get the correct option. Let's move now to question 15. In the coordinate plane, a square has vertices 4, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3, negative 4. What's the fourth vertex? So the best way of solving this question is to draw a sketch. Quick sketch like this one. No need for accurate graphing here. 4, 3 means the point is here. First point is 4, 3. Next point is minus 3, 3. So minus 3 is here. Four, 3. Minus 3 minus 4 is here. Minus 3 minus 4 is here. Then minus 3, 3 is here. Minus 3, 3. Okay, Then you connect them like this, and that is the required square. But our question is to find this point here. Clearly, since the x here is 4, this means the x here is 4. And since the y here is -4, so this means here the y is -4. So the answer will be 4 minus 4, and this is option A. So option A is correct. Cosecant theta is 4/3. What's the value of sine theta? Okay, here we draw a triangle like this. This is angle theta. Cosecant theta is 4/3. This means you know that cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Cosecant is 1 over sine. So if the cosecant is 4/3, the reciprocal is the sine. So 3/4 is the answer. No need to solve anything. It's easy. So here we have to do, the answer is 3/4. The reciprocal of 4/3, because sine is the reciprocal of cosecant. Question number 17. Which symbol below makes the expression true? 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 4 squared is 16. So clearly these are equal. Option B is the correct. Question 18. A squared minus b squared equals 648. We know that, in algebra we have the identity a squared minus b squared equal a minus b times a plus b. So let's plug here 648. This is given to us here, and a minus b is also given to us 24 times a plus b. That's what we have to find. Clearly, if you divide 600, you divide both sides by 24. So if you divide 648 by 24, you get 27. So option A, K, is correct here. Question number 19. Given trapezoid ABCD with AB parallel to DC and AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. What's the measure of angle X? Okay, first step, linear pair here, 115 and 65. These two angles are 180 degrees. And since this is an isosceles trapezoid, this means this angle and 65 are congruent angle. So here 35 plus 30 gets 65, so this angle is 30. Now sum of angles in a triangle is 180. 30 plus 65, you get 95. So 180 minus 95 is equal to 85, and that is angle X. So here option E is correct. one second, let's see. 85, sorry. Option D is correct. Next question. What's the ratio of area of circle with radius r to the circumference of circle with radius 2r? So here I have two circles. First circle, radius r, and another circle which is twice radius, here radius 2r. So what's the ratio of the area of circle? Area of circle radius r here, area equal pi r squared. That's the area of circle radius r. Circumference of circle radius 2r, circumference is 2 pi r, so I multiply 2 pi times 2r, and the circumference in this case will be 2 times 2, 4 pi r. Now the question, what's the ratio of area to the ratio of circumference? So I need to divide this amount by this amount. So if you do that, let's divide them. Pi r squared divided by 4 pi r. Now pi and pi is cancelled, r squared is cancelled with r, so we get r over 4. So option H is the correct answer. Question number 21. The function MNOP is identified as this: MP, M multiplied by P minus NO. So what's the value of this function? 2 times 8, 16, minus 6 times 4, 24. 16 minus 24, negative 8, so option A is correct. Next one. In a classroom survey of 12 students, it was determined that 1/2 of the students belong to the chess club, 1/3 belong to the drama club, and 1/4 belong to both clubs. So we have chess and drama. Let's draw Venn diagram for this question like this. So we have two sets, chess and drama. This is chess and this is drama. We are told in the question that here 1/4 belong to both clubs, and the whole number is 12. Total number of students is 12. Now since 1/4 belongs to both, this means here I have 3 in the middle. So 3 in the middle because this is the common area. 1/4 of 12 is 3. So 1/4 belongs to both clubs. Also, in a classroom survey of 12 students, it was determined that 1/2 of the students belong to the chess, which means chess here, circle for chess, it has 1/2 of 12, 1/2 of 12, which means here you have 6 in order to become half. 3 plus 3 is 1/2 of 12, so this region is 3 also. Now also 1/2 of the students belong to the chess, 1/3 belong to the drama. Drama 1/3. 1/3 of 12 is 4, which means here I have 1, because drama will be 1/4. Drama is 1/3, sorry. 1/3 of 12 is 4, which means drama here, this circle, should be 4 people to become 1/4 of 12. Now, the question, how many students are not in either club? If you add 3 plus 3, you get 6 plus 1, 7. So subtract 12 minus 7, you get 5. So 5 are outside here. So option G is the correct answer. Next question. For which value of x is the inequality is true? You can directly divide by minus 2 both sides of the inequality. Cancel this and this. You get x less or equal -3. So option A is correct. Don't forget to switch the sign of the inequality because you divide by negative number. Anytime you divide by negative number, you switch the sign of the inequality. So here it was greater, it becomes less or equal. So the correct option here is -3. So I have to choose option A. That's the correct answer. Next question, number 24. 1 billion minus 1 million. This is easy. We know that 1 billion is 1,000 million. 1 billion is 1,000 million. So if you take away 1 million, you get 900 million, 999 million. So option K is the correct answer. Next question, number 25. H of x is this, g of x is this. What's the value of hg of 2? Here I start finding g of 2. So g of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So g of 2 is equal to 3. Now you plug now this 3 in h. This 3 should be plugged where? Here in h, instead of x. So if you do that, you get h of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 squared plus 3 minus 1. So 2 times 9 plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, what is the sum of angles in terms of x? Okay, so here we have this angle is 180 minus x. So this angle is 180 minus x. And this angle is also same thing, 180 minus x. Because these are linear pair with x. Now, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So here, sum of all angles in first triangle is 180 and second triangle is 180. So sum of all angles in both triangles is 360. That's why I can write A plus B plus 180 minus x plus 180 minus x plus C plus D is equal to 360. Now you have to solve for the sum of angles. Here you can simplify 180 plus 180, 360 is cancelled with 360 on the right hand side. Then you can take minus x and minus x, you get minus 2x. Take it to the other side, to the right hand side, you get here 2x. And what's left here is the sum of angles. So A plus B plus C plus D will be 2x. So option G here is the correct answer. Sum of angles A plus B plus C plus D is 2x. Question number 27. Here you are given 15 times 16 over A equals 3 times 4 times 5. What is A? You can cancel 16 and 4 and 15 and 3. So 15 and 3, if you cancel 15 and 3, you get 5. 16 and 4, you get 4 times 4 over A is equal to 5. Now you can cancel 5 and 5. So you get A equal 4. Final answer option C. Question number 28. The cost of manufacturing a single DVD is represented by this amount. What's the cost of manufacturing 12 DVDs? So here I have to plug 12 for X. So C, cost of 12, is equal to 0.35 times 12 plus 1.75. So on the calculator you can plug these on the calculator and get the answer. Question 29. City A, 200 miles east of city C. So let's sketch it. City A here is city A, here is city C. Distance between them is 200, so this is 200. Now city B is 150 miles directly north of city C, which means city B should be here, and this is 150 miles away from city C, north of city C. So this means this angle is right angle. Now the question was the shortest distance in miles between city A and city B. Alright, so I need to find the distance here, hypotenuse. Okay, so here I can use Pythagoras theorem, the easiest way. So I can say here 200 squared plus 150 squared is equal to BA squared or AB squared. And then you can do square root for both answers. So square root here, cancel square root and square. So you get AB. On the calculator you get correct option. Then you choose the correct option in question 29. Question 30 now. For all real numbers R, let R be defined as these. So R squared minus 1. So what's 8? You can say 8 squared minus 1 as stated here. And this is 64 minus 1. And this is 63. So option H is the correct answer. So that's the first half of the test. I will meet you in another video to continue the second half of this test. Thank you very much indeed.